Today for our family the breakfast, I'm going to make the pancake mix powder, and we need to prepare the ingredients. Of course the flour, a mango, water, and the real honey. 100% honey. And we need a pan. That's all. Next, I pour the flour into the water. After that, I beat them together, the water and the flour. Then I heat up the pan in 1 minute. Then I put the pan in a wet towel and wait until 10 seconds. Wait in 10 seconds. Let's start making cakes. One cake, 2 cake, 3 cakes, 4 cakes. I'm peeling the mango to put on the pancake. Like the taste, you will see it later. Then I put some honey.